And welcome back to my channel. This is video 6 of our React interview series. Today we dive into rendering and lifecycle, how React mounts, updates and unmounts components, what happens in the render phase versus the commit phase, concurrent rendering, strict mode, how React prioritizes updates, automatic batching and flush sync. So 14 question clear answers. Let's get started. What is mounting? Mounting is when a component is added to the screen for the first time. React creates the interface, runs the component function, and insert the resulting DOM nodes. After the DOM is committed, effects run their setup for the first time. Mounting happens only once per component instance. What is updating? Updating happens when a component receives new props or its state changes. React keeps the same instance alive, reruns the function, dips the new output against the previous tree, and patches the DOM. If an effects dependency change, React runs the previous cleanup and then the new setup after the commit. What is unmounting? So unmounting is when a component is removed from the screen. React first runs every effects cleanup function so you can cancel timers, subscriptions, or listeners. Then it removes the DOM node and discards the component state. If that component is shown again later, it mounts as a brand new instance with fresh state. Next question, explain the life cycle of a functional component. A functional component has three phases. On mount, the function runs, DOM nodes are created, and effects setup. On update, the function reruns, the DOM is patched, and effects rerun only if their dependency changed. On unmount, cleanup function runs, DOM nodes are removed, and state is discarded. That's the full life cycle. How do class lifecycle methods map to hooks? So this is the practical mapping interviews expected question. So component did mount maps to use effect with an empty dependency array. Uh, Component did update maps to use effect with a dependency list. Component will unmount maps to a cleanup function returns from use effect. Should component update is roughly react.memo, use memo or use callback. Get snapshot before update is often handled with use layout effect, and constructor plus state becomes use state or use reducer. What happens during rendering? Rendering means React calls your components to figure out what the UI should look like. It must be a pure calculation, same inputs, same JSX, no side effects, no mutation. React builds a virtual tree and calculates the minimal DOM changes needed, but it does not touch the real DOM yet. This happens later in the commit phase. What happens during the commit phase? After rendering, React applies the calculated changes to the real DOM, inserts, updates, or remove nodes. The commit phase is synchronous and atomic. Once React starts writing to the DOM, it finishes the whole update so the UI stays consistent. Then use layout effect runs before the browser paints and use effect runs after the paint. What is concurrent rendering? Concurrent rendering means the render phase can be interrupted. React can pause mid-render, let the browser handle urgent user input, then resumes or restart later. This keeps the UI responsive even during heavy work. Feature like start transition, use default value, and suspense all rely on this interruptible model introduced with the Fiverr and Lane priority system. Can React abandon a render? Yes, for a low priority work, if the high priority updates arrives while React is rendering a transition or a deferred update, it can throw away the in progress work and start over with the urgent update. This only happens in the render phase. Once React has started the commit, it finishes the That's also very render must be pure. A render that gets abandoned and rerun must not leave side effect behind. What is strict mode? Strict mode is a development only tool that enables extra checks and intentional double in invocations. It double renders components and double runs effects. Setup, cleanup, setup on initial mount to catch impure renders and missing cleanups. It has zero impact on production builds. Wrapping your root in strict mode is recommended for new apps. Why does use effects sometimes run twice in development? Because strict mode intentionally double inbox effects on initial mount in development setup, the cleanup, then setup again. This is a feature, not a bug. It surfaces missing cleanup function immediately in production. Each effect setup runs exactly once per mount or dependency change. How does React prioritizes updates? So React uses a lane-based priority system. Each update is assigned a lane, user input, and clicks get high priority. Lanes, transitions, and deferred work get lower ones. Higher priority lanes are processed first, and React can interrupt lower priority rendering when something urgent arrives. Low priority work that sits too long gets promoted, so nothing stops forever. What is automatic batching? Automatic batching means React groups multiple state updates that happen close together into a single re-render. In React 18, this works not only inside event handlers but also inside set timeout promises and native events. Pure intermediary renders means better performance by default. You usually don't have to think about it. What is plus sync and when would you use it? Plus sync forces React to apply state updates inside a callback and commit them to the DOM synchronously before the next line of code runs. It's a rare escape hatch, mainly useful when integrating with non-React APIs that expect a DOM to be updated immediately, like the browser's print dialog. Use it sparingly; it can hurt performance and force suspense fallbacks. So that's a wrap for video 6 rendering and lifecycle. You now have clearances for mounting, updating, unmounting. The render versus commit phases, concurrent rendering, strict mode, prioritization, automatic batching, and plus sync. If the series is helping you prepare for interviews, drop a like and subscribe. Tell me in the comment, but we should cover next form, TypeScript with React performance patterns or something else entirely. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.